Hello friends, welcome to CAD modeling. Today we are going to sketch beautiful mug. First of all, go to right plane, go to sketch, select line right from here. Okay, and it up to here, select smart dimension and make it 40 mm. Now select spline right from this point. Okay. Up to this and make it 100 mm. Okay, now we have to adjust it to make the curve proper. Okay, like this. Okay, little bit here, then exit the sketch. Now go to feature, select axis, select right plane and select front plane, click OK. Now select revolve surface command, select this sketch and this axis, click OK. Now select right plane, go to sketch and select spline right from here like this. Okay, and it up to here. We have to draw heart shape, so we have to make it mirror like this. Okay, now select offset command, select this sketch, make it 3.5 mm, make it both side bidirectional. Okay, now click OK. Okay, exit the sketch. Now go to curves, select split line. The sketch is already selected, make it here a single direction and select this surface, make this arrow reverse, click OK. Okay, now go to offset surface, clear the selection box, select this surface and make it reverse and make it 7.5 mm. Okay, now again go to offset surface, clear the selection box, this time choose this surface and make it 5 mm. Okay, select offset surface, select this surface and make it 2.5 mm. Okay, looking pretty. Now go to lofted surface, select this edge and this edge, click OK. Now again go to lofted surface, this time select this edge and this edge, click OK. Again go, this time select these two edges. Okay, again select lofted surface, this time select these edges, this one and this one. Okay, I don't choosing all the edges at a time because it's not possible, that's why I'm choosing it separately. This time choose this edge and this edge. Okay, clear this, click OK. Now our shape is ready. Now go to neat surface, select these all surfaces, select carefully, choose these only surfaces, click OK. Now go to fillet, make it here 1 mm, select this upper edges only. Okay, select this. Okay, now select this middle one. Okay, now go to thicken, select this surface, clear the selection box, then select this surface inside and make it 5 mm. Okay, now go to right plane, select normal, select sketch, select spline, start to draw from here. Okay, you have to draw shape like handle. Okay, close it. Now adjust it, select this tip, select this arrow and make it horizontal. Okay, click OK, exit the sketch. Now go to reference geometry, select plane, select this arc and this point, click OK, select this plane, make it normal, go to sketch, select ellipse, draw it on this point. Okay, now select this point and this point at a time and make it horizontal. Give the distance 7 mm. Okay, now this vertical distance, choose smart dimension and give this vertical distance 4 mm, 5 mm. Okay, okay, exit the sketch. Now go to feature, select sweep boss command, select this sketch and this curve and go to option and make it aligned with end faces. Okay, now go to fillet, select this edge, this edge also and select this face, make it 2 mm. Okay, okay, our mug is ready. Now give the color of your choice by going to the appearances. Okay, thanks for watching friends.